Japan, a nation where ancient rituals breathe quietly beneath glowing neon skies, and centuries-old traditions stand firm in the heart of ultramodern cities. From mist-filled forests to sacred mountaintops and futuristic streets, Japan is shaped by forces deeper and more mysterious than the world realizes. Today, we uncover shocking and little-known truths about this extraordinary country. Insights that reveal a far more complex and remarkable Japan than most have ever imagined. Although many imagine Japan as a place of endless skyscrapers and crowded urban streets, nearly 70% of the entire country is covered by rugged mountains, volcanic ridges, and dense forests. Vast stretches of Japan remain untouched by modern development. Remote villages hidden deep in the hills, ancient temples tucked inside misty forests, and pathways once used by monks seeking spiritual awakening. This geography not only gives Japan its dramatic natural beauty, but also shapes its culture, architecture, and way of life. Japan is not a nation built on concrete. It is a civilization built upon mountains. Japan lies directly on the Pacific Ring of Fire, one of Earth's most explosive geological zones. More than 100 active volcanoes rise from its islands, each connected to a vast network of magma chambers and shifting tectonic plates beneath the crust. These volcanoes have shaped Japan's landscape for millions of years, creating new land, carving valleys, and fueling thousands of natural hot springs. Even Mount Fuji, a peaceful icon to many, remains an active volcano with a history of powerful eruptions. Japan lives in constant partnership with the fire beneath its feet. In Japan, traditions are not merely preserved. They are honored, lived, and carefully carried into the future. Tea ceremonies performed today mirror those practiced centuries ago, every movement slow and intentional. Festivals rooted in ancient mythology still light up cities with fire, lanterns, and sacred dances. Theater forms like No and Kabuki are performed using techniques that have been passed down unchanged through generations. These traditions are the heartbeat of Japan, a living bridge between the past and present. The Japanese concept of mastery goes far beyond skill. Known as the shokunin spirit, it represents a lifelong dedication to perfecting one's craft with discipline, humility, and purpose. Sushi chefs may spend years learning to prepare rice before even touching fish. Swordsmiths forge katana blades using rituals that require absolute focus and precision. Potters, carpenters, and calligraphers devote decades to refining their art. This obsession with excellence shapes everything from Japan's ancient crafts to its cutting-edge technology. Mount Fuji's iconic shape hides a remarkable geological secret. What appears to be a single majestic volcano is actually the product of 3 different volcanoes layered on top of one another. Each volcano erupted at different times throughout history, building Fuji's perfect cone and giving it the striking symmetry admired around the world. Despite its calm appearance, Fuji remains an active and closely monitored volcano, a beautiful symbol with a fiery heart beneath its snow-covered peak. Japan's cherry blossoms, or sakura, blanket the nation in breathtaking pink clouds each spring, but only for a brief moment. Their beauty fades almost as soon as it appears, a reminder woven deeply into Japanese culture. Life is precious because it is temporary. This philosophy, known as mono no aware, encourages mindfulness, gratitude, and an appreciation of fleeting moments. Sakura are not just flowers. They are a reflection of the human experience. In Japan, silence is a language of its own. It expresses respect, discipline, and awareness of others. Trains remain remarkably quiet even during rush hour. People speak softly in public spaces, avoiding unnecessary noise. Students clean their classrooms together in silent cooperation. This cultural appreciation for quietness promotes order, harmony, and collective responsibility, creating one of the calmest public atmospheres in the world. Japan is home to several islands where animals outnumber humans by extraordinary margins. Aoshima, known as Cat Island, is populated by hundreds of cats that roam freely through fishing villages. Okinoshima, or Rabbit Island, is filled with playful wild rabbits that approach visitors without fear. These islands offer a rare glimpse into Japan's unique and often spiritual relationship with nature, where animals are not just companions, but symbols of peace and harmony. Japan's Shinkansen trains are world famous for their speed, but their true masterpiece is punctuality. Average delays are measured in mere seconds, thanks to meticulous engineering, advanced earthquake detection systems, and an extraordinary culture of responsibility. Every train, every connection, and every journey is designed to run with near-perfect accuracy. The Shinkansen is not just transportation. It is a symbol of Japan's commitment to precision and excellence. Japan consistently ranks among the longest-living populations in the world. This remarkable longevity stems from balanced diets, active lifestyles, low-stress environments, strong community bonds, and cultural values that emphasize purpose and harmony. Elderly citizens remain socially engaged, physically active, and mentally connected, supported by traditions that nurture well-being. In Japan, long life is not merely a biological outcome. It is a cultural achievement. Japan is a land of contrasts, ancient yet futuristic, tranquil yet powerful. Its traditions, landscapes, and hidden wonders reveal a nation shaped by resilience, wisdom, and quiet strength. As we explore its mysteries, we discover not just facts but a deeper understanding of humanity itself. For more cinematic journeys like this, subscribe and join us for the next exploration.